All right, so now we're gonna put some focus on the dumpster pad here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over to here and turn on all my layers. Looks like I may have turned off or hidden some of the other stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn on the site plan and the grading plan and tell it to display all. We'll click OK. I think when I did the project cleanup, I did the delete duplicate. So, you know, if I had 2 lines for the dumpster pad, it removed one of them, which looks like it was on the site plan. So that's probably what happened here, but no worries. I have a line here that represents the dumpster pad. So I'm just going to select that and go to properties here, and we can see that it's got a question mark for the elevation, which is what we want. I'm going to give it a name called dumpster pad. And we're going to set it on a layer here. And I'll just go ahead and create a new layer called dumpster pad. Only because it's got a different concrete thickness. And so I want to be able to stake it out. And if I want to lay it out, I want to put it on a stakeout layer. Go dash dumpster pad. So again, this may be something that you have on every project. I'm going to go ahead and just set it to a blue color. And then I'm going to click on protect. And we'll go ahead and put it into our stakeout group. All right. So now we click on it, we can see that it's got some dashed line. Now, one of the things that I might want to do, you can see up here is using a line style. I'm just going to get rid of that and just make it by layer, and not worry about the scale and the weight, and everything else will be by layer. So you can see it shows that dumpster pad. Now we can go ahead and, we can set elevations on this and go ahead and stake it out.